So let me explain about this project location tracking with Web API and Android phone. So before I do anything, I'll just say that the project has already been completed and I have tried to split it into various named sequential steps. You can go through those steps and understand the project and maybe replicate the same story in your own projects also. Extra effort on your part is requested and no teacher can develop a bigger project in live mode. I hope you understand this limitation and now I will start discussing this project. So I will give a code for Android application which I have written in .NET MOI platform. This source code I'll give and attach to your tutorials. You can obtain and download and compile it. For compilation and understanding of this source code, you will have to make extra effort from Google, etc. I will also provide a compiled APK so that you can use it on your mobile phone for testing. And in the meantime, this is how it is going to work. When you open your Android phone, when you open this app on your Android phone, you will see a pairing code shown on your phone. This pairing code has to be entered into the ASP.NET Core application that I'll show in a moment. I'll show the whole video also. You will have to enter this code into your ASP.NET Core application so that this device and your application they get connected and this mobile phone can send location data to your application. That location data is then shown on a map. So this is what is all about. Let me open Visual Studio. This is the project which I have completed. You have the program.cs file and various utility for making web API communication for database connectivity. This is the home page and here we have split it into areas. One area is on authorization where we use identity based authorization for login, logout, register, etc. The admin area is there. It has its own pages that decide on the pricing plans available to buyers. And similarly, a user has his own pages where he can see his plans, etc., his payments also and make payments also. And then he can view the journeys that he has performed. And when you open the project, it will open like this. You can go through all the story, click to enter. This will be identity based login. For this login ID, user and admin along with their password has been given on the console itself. And you can see that I have actually seeded this data already. You can see the whole source code. It will automatically get seeded when you run it for the first time. And when you enter the password 1234, we can log in as user. But before that, I will log in as admin so that things remain in proper sequence. And I'll click on login. So this is the control panel of the administrator. You are logged in as administrator. The administrator can search a customer by email and recent customers are shown in this table. So last 10 customers he can see and recent payments and amount collected in this month that can be seen. This is for the month of January and December. So in February this month is shown as total is shown as 0. So this list of payments received, the customers, and you can search a customer, click on go and you can see details of this customer, his last payments, plan, everything is shown. And the administrator can configure various pricing plans also. For example, we have configured plan, basic, premium and super plan, 5 devices, 30 days, $0, 10 and all that. You can edit a plan, make changes. Let us say we change it to 2 devices and click and save. This updates to 2 devices. You can delete a plan. So this is the administrator part of the story. We have used Bootstrap and I log off now. And now I will log in as ordinary user. I have seeded some data, so that is why I already have user ID and email. Otherwise you can log in, register, click on register, forgot password, resend email confirmation. Everything works according to the identity based authentication. And now I will log in. And when you log in, the user sees his basic plan, that his plan is this, the devices are 2 because I updated just now. The user can upgrade to premium, and subscription expiry date, payments done, and number of days remaining in a progress bar. The progress bar changes color, orange, green and red, and in this case the quota is of 0. So what we can say is we will upgrade because account or device quota is expired, please renew or upgrade. I will click on this upgrade, and now 8 remaining out of 10. And here this is the device code that has to be paired, and you can see the mobile phone and enter a friendly name and click on save, or you can edit one of the existing ones. For example, I clicked on edit and I can now alter it, and that is how it works. And now I will click on journeys. When I click on journeys, I am shown all the record of journeys for this device, and the track location is also shown. This is shown on OpenStreetMap. You can use Google also for that, JavaScript etc. for Google, that all you will have to do on your own. And on the journey we can click on rename to maybe journey. I can give a name to my journey so that I will know where I went, and click on update. So my journey to the market and this whole is shown. This works as a map works.